Hi guys, this is John K and here we are for another unboxing video. So today, we are going to unbox again another figure from Sega. So let's first remove the bubble wrap. As you can see, this is Mitsuri Kanroji, one of the major supporting characters from the Demon Slayer anime. So if you're planning to buy this figure, make sure that the box looks like this. So in front of the box, you should see the Sega logo, the Jaya logo, a snapshot of our figure, several Japanese text, and the Demon Slayer logo. And then on the right side of the box, you should see these two full body shots of our figure. And then on the left side of the box is a close-up shot of our figure. And then at the back, you will see several Japanese texts, a QR code, and this sales outside Japan only sticker. We also have here an image of our figure. Then at the bottom, let's turn it upside down. You will see again several Japanese texts, the Sega logo, and this barcode on the lower left corner of the box. And lastly, on top of the box, this is what you should see. There's the Sega logo, an image of our figure, and the Demon Slayer logo. So that's it for the box. Now let's open this up. Now here's Mitsuri Kanroji in all his glory. Isn't she so cute, guys? Teka, i-close up lang muna natin siya. Ayan guys, ganyan siya ka-cute. Okay, so pagka chinek nyo siya sa anime, ganito yung kanyang itsura. Now, without a doubt, we can say that our figure looks exactly as you would see her in the anime. As you can see, Mitsuri has pale green eyes with long eyelashes. She also has a slightly pale complexion. And then, she has long, light pink hair that fades into a lime green color at the halfway point. So, ayan, no? Makikita nyo dun sa hair niya, yung dulo ng hair niya, it fades to a lime green color. And then, about naman sa dress niya, Mitsuri wears a heavily modified pink tinted version of the standard Demon Slayer uniform, along with a plain white haori that was gifted to her by Kyojuro Rengoku. The chest area of her uniform is left unbuttoned, which is win-win to all the guys out there. I'm just kidding. And then she wears a short pleated skirt. She also wears a pair of navy blue thigh-high socks layered with the vertically striped lime green socks that Obanai Igoro gave to her. Tingnan naman natin yung butt area ng ating figure. Let's turn this upside down. So as you can see, makapansin nyo merong Sega China and setup numbers na kapareho nung nasa box. Ayan, product code siguro yan. By the way guys, this figure comes with an additional item or a freebie item probably. So ito siya. This is 3 box of rice cakes. So pwede nyo tong i-display alongside Mitsuri Kanroji dun sa kanang part niya. Yan, ganyan siya dapat pag i-display based dun sa image sa box. Now, let's do a side-by-side comparison. So, first, compare muna natin siya kay Shinobu Kocho. Mamaya magkamali ako, sabihin ko na naman Kana o Choyuri. So, compare natin si Love Hashira versus the Insect Hashira. So, ayan sila guys. Tama lang na mas malaki si Mitsuri compared kay Shinobu kasi nasa 5'6 yung height niya sa anime while si Shinobu nasa 4'11 lang siya. Next, i-compare naman natin siya kay Obanai Igoro. Ito na guys, yung magka-love team. Ayan, sila talaga yung magka-love team sa Demon Slayer anime. So, pagtabihin natin sila. Ayan. Diba? Cute nila tingnan. Parang humihingi si Igoro ng rice cake kay Mitsuri. Tapusin na natin tong video. May nanalo na. Hindi. Kung mapapansin nyo, mas malaki pa rin si Mitsuri compared kay Igoro. Kasi si Igoro nasa 5'4 lang. And then again, si Mitsuri nasa 5'6 yung height niya sa anime. Now, let's compare Mitsuri with his mentor, Kyojuro Rengoku. Okay, so I would say na tama na mas malaki ng kaunti si Kyojuro Rengoku compared kay Mitsuri kasi yung height ni Kyojuro is nasa 5'10". Compare naman natin siya kay Sanemi Shinazugawa. Parang halos magkasing height lang sila ni Mitsuri. Teka, pagtabihin ko guys Ayan. Ayan, diba? Parang magkasing height lang sila. Which is not accurate. Kasi sa anime, yung height ni Sanemi is nasa 5'10". Same sila ni Rengoku. Lastly, compare naman natin tong figure natin kay Tengen Uzui. Dito tama lang na mas matangkad si Uzui compared kay Mitsuri kasi nasa 6'6 yung height ni Uzui. Now let's give Mitsuri, the Love Hashira, a quiet time and stare at her goddess-like beauty.